If construction equipment is a steel giant, this is where its heart is built. Today, we're inside this advanced factory, powered by premium CATL. This facility manufactures lithium battery systems. It also develops ESS and electrification solutions. Let's step onto the production line. CATL aus this Eneroc are precisely arranged. Next comes laser welding. More than metal welding, it creates high current pathways, providing reliable power for heavy equipment. After welding, each battery pack enters functional testing. Every battery cell is inspected to ensure consistent performance. Only qualified products move to the next stage. Can you guess what's happening here? The battery management system is the pack's brain. BMS harness integration. The 4G module enables remote monitoring, monitor battery status in real time, maintains the battery within its optimal temperature between 25 degrees Celsius and 45 degrees Celsius, the true core of the system. Finally, the BMS is programmed. The battery pack is now ready for service. Choose Eneroc for equipment electrification.